Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. So, I went to my Dollar Tree again, and guess what? Look! I found some new stuff. I am really happy with my Dollar Tree this week. Where to start? Okay, let me clear some space and we'll just go ahead and start with one item. How's that? Let's start with this one. This is a shatterproof water globe. It is quite a large globe, and I brought home 3 of these with me. And next, I found these candles. Look at that. This was such a tough decision for me. Because it came in black, orange, purple, red, and white. Now, I wanted the purple one, but it was a bit on the violet side, so I only brought home the black one and the orange one. And I brought 3 each of each color. I have a project in mind for those. And speaking of candles, look at this. I found the bleeding skulls. I know it's probably a little difficult to tell, but look at that. They look pink. So I'm going to have to fix that somehow. So I got 2 of those. And next, oh, these are just too adorable. Look at this. It says Boo. I found it in the black, blue and white, and the stems are gold. That's so adorable. There's that one. I found it in the orange and white. And the white and the black. Oh, they are just too adorable. And then next, I found these little tea light holders. Look at this. Isn't it cute? I brought 3 home with me. Yeah, I couldn't help myself. They're so cute. I needed 3. And then next I needed some more of the skull decorative fillers. So I bought 3 more silvers and 3 more whites. And I was quite happy my Dollar Tree had more in stock. For a while there, they didn't have any. And then I needed some eyeballs. So I picked up 1 package. And I figured 12 eyeballs was plenty enough. I brought home some more mini skeletons. I just got the 1 package. Speaking of skeletons, I found the 18-inch one. Look at him. So cute. I also brought home some steaks. I brought home 2 sets of the skull ones. And each set comes with 2. So, see there. And I got the black and the silver one. It also comes in the black and gold. I also brought home this little table topper. It's a bit on the wear side, but this is the only one they had in stock. So I went ahead and picked it up. It says Home Sweet Haunted Home. Really cute. I like it, so I picked it up. I think I can fix the edges. I don't think that will be a problem at all. And then I picked up some cauldron. And you get 4 in a package. So I got 1 of those. And then I found me some coffins. Look at this. These are cute. I noticed that it comes in the clear container also, but my store didn't have it. They just had this gray iridescent one. So I picked up 2 of these. This will probably go in my trick-or-treater bin. And then I picked up this background scene. Look at that. It's a graveyard scene. Really cute. I picked up one more of these skull light boxes. I needed another skull. And then I also picked up some felt witch hats. Look at this. It's quite a long piece. Let me grab my ruler. I want to measure how long this is. Let's see. It is very colorful. I like it. It is 15 inches long and about 13 inches across. I bought this for my Halloween tree. See, the back side is plain, so I want to take this off and put it on the other side. I wish I could just flip it over, but it's not going to work, so I have to do a little DIYing. But they're going to become my little Halloween tree toppers. And then, look who came home with me. It's so adorable. Such a cute little kitty. So I saw this, and I saw the felt witch hat online, and I thought they were actually smaller. So I got one kitty. Oh, I'm just going to put him in my craft room. And then I needed a web, so I brought this one home. I figured I could always use a glow-in-the-dark spider. So I got one of these. And then I found some jewelry. Of course I had to bring them home with me. I needed some miniature bones for my project, so that's why I picked these up. I picked up 2 of these. And then I needed some more of these cardboard bags. So this time I picked up the Spooktacular, or Have a Spooktacular Halloween. So I picked up the 3 sizes. I picked up the large, the next largest, and the next. I needed the little ones, and then I figured, well, since I'm picking these up, I might as well pick this one up too. But yes, I have some projects going. That's why I needed more of these. And then, speaking of skulls and bones, I brought home 2 of these plastic skulls. Oh, and then remember I said I was going to decorate my Halloween tree. I brought home some garland. I brought home the orange one. I plan to take the cauldron and the hats off and just use the orange part. So I got 2 of the orange ones here with the cauldron and the Halloween hat. And I picked up 4 of these purple ones, and then they have the purple bats. And then on this one I'll probably just leave the bats on, because let me tell you now, my tree is going to be purple, and I figure a little bit of orange will work, and I can work that in there, and I can even put some lime green in there. I think it'll look really cute. Let me show you this one. In all my years that I've shopped at the Dollar Tree, can you believe I have never picked up this witch? Oh, because you know, when you go into the Dollar Tree, right, you always hear all these the witch cackling, and then the ghost booing. And then, I don't know, her hand looks off somehow. It looks unnatural. But I needed her voice, so that's why I picked her up. Let me turn it on. And the cauldron blows. See there? It changes colors. She's funny though. So I needed her voice. Her body, I can always use her body in a different project. I found the gnome hot pads. So I picked up 4 of these because that's how many I need for my kitchen. So I have the hot pads, and then of course I had to have the oven mitts, so I picked up 2 of the oven mitts. And then I picked up 3 of the towels. Look at that. I won't be using this, it'll just be a decorative towel. I picked up 3 of these. 2's for my kitchen, and then the 1 is for my craft project. This time I found some cute new cards. Look at this one. This one says Happy Halloween. I like that the moon and the bats. I don't know, something about it. And then that's what it says inside. I wish it was a different color on the inside, but you know, I might DIY that too. You never know, right? And then there's this one. That's so cute. Just sitting here thinking of you on Halloween. So cute. And on the inside. And then one last one. Look at this one. I like this one. It's a Halloween tier cake. And that's what it looks like inside. That is it for my Halloween. And then let's do the harvest next. Yes, I am happy with my Dollar Tree. For a while there, they just kept getting the same items over and over and over, you know? And I just wanted something new. So, look. We got Harvest Wishes with the little truck. Cute. I bought one for myself. And then the other one is for my craft project. And then I found this one too. It says Hello October. So I can put this out in a couple of weeks. To greet October. Yes. Oh, look. It's got the checks edging. I didn't even pay attention to that. I was just reading that and I was like, yep, coming home with me. And then I finally found the little round signs. I wanted these for a while now. So I picked up the Hello Autumn one. And this is the one I really wanted. Live simply and be grateful. It's so cute. I love this simple saying. And then since I was picking this up, and I went ahead and picked up that one too. Really happy I found these. I've been wanting these for quite a while now. And then the other one I've been wanting is this one. Look at this. I love this truck. It is green. And you got the pumpkins in the back. And then of course it comes with a little sign that says Harvest and Blessing. But mainly I'm after the truck. And since I was after the truck, I picked up 2 of them. One is for me and the other one is for my craft project. And speaking of trucks, look what I found. I couldn't believe it. Look at this. Dollar Tree, we love you. Thank you. I picked up 2 of them. And I think they are cardboard. It says truck plaque. So I picked up 2 of these. I'm not sure how I'm going to work that one yet. But anyways, it came home with me. And then I also found this one. Let me open it. This is that color your own decor. And it comes with markers. And this is what it looks like. It says Hello Fall. It's so cute. I want to say one for Harvest. And then the other one, I picked up 2. And the other one I want to color for Halloween. Oh, here we go. I forgot I found this. It was tucked underneath there. I picked up this house. I don't have this one. So I picked up 2 of these. Uh, I have so many projects, I have a list going. So, you know, I had to add this to my list somewhere. And then I found these. They're cute, but as you know, I'm a crafter, so I needed this one of these. I needed the word home in the frame, but I also picked up this gather one, and I can always reuse the gather later on. So this is a new craft project in store for me here. And let's see what else. I have 2 Halloween items that I missed. So those are a couple of signage. That's this one. Let me show you. I want to slide it across. Spooky, it says. It's so cute. I want to put this. I want to put it in front of my house. But these things do not last outside though. So I need to figure out how I'm going to do that. I like that sign. So cute. And then while I was picking up my spooky sign, I found this one. Look. This is the not cauldron, coffin. It says trick or treat on one side, and then if you flip it over, it says welcome. Look at that. So I picked up 2 of these. I may use it as a sign, but I was thinking that I'm going to actually make a coffin. What do you guys think? Good idea? and oh, wait. Sorry. I thought I was done. I picked up one more item. I picked up this shaving brush. I needed a crafting tool, to dust stuff off my project. Now, I have paint brushes that I use, but once in a while I need something a little larger so I can dust off my project. So I think I'm hoping this will work, but I don't know. Look at that, it's already shedding. So I don't know how it's going to work out. It is round at the tip, can you see? So I may have to trim it even. But look at that, it's already shedding. Oh. Anyways. Well, it is Halloween, right? I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Promise. Okay. Well, I had fun showing you my haul, all the goodies that I found at my Dollar Tree, and I hope that you are able to locate some of the items that you've been looking for, and you now have a better idea of some of the items that you had on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.